Hi, I'm Chris with Coleman-Mach, an Air-Excel brand. Today I'm going to show you how to add a nice contemporary look to the interior of your RV by swapping out the existing air filter grills with our upgraded version. The upgraded version obviously comes in a white and a black, depending upon your ceiling assembly. And if you want to get creative, you can mix and match or put the black on the white or whatever suits your fancy. So it's super easy to do, it takes about 5 minutes. I use a little butter knife to get some leverage in taking out the existing one. So let's get started and improve the look of your RV. When replacing the existing filter grill with the upgraded version, you will be working overhead and there might be dust or other debris that could come down on you. So it's always a really good idea to wear some eye protection. I'm also going to use this dull butter knife just to give me a little leverage when I take out the existing filter grill. So I'm going to grab the finger tab, and then there are 3 tabs that are holding this in place that you can't see. But if I grab the finger tab and get my butter knife in and twist it a little bit, it helps me pop the tabs a little. That one comes out quite easily. I don't need the butter knife to put the new one in. This is also a good time to take a look at your air filters because Coleman-Mach does make replacement air filters. And if this air filter is really gunked up or full of dust, we highly recommend you replace it. So to put the new one in, I'm just going to line up the tabs and then push inward, and the other 3 tabs will pop into place. 1, 2, and 3. There you go, that looks great, and it's a nice upgrade to your interior. Thanks so much for watching, and I'd also like to thank Lazy Days RV. These products and a wide array of others can be found in the Coleman-Mach Climate Control Accessories section of your local RV retailer. Now let's go out and enjoy our RV.